Alright guys, so the package came in. If you're wondering why I'm sounding a little sad, it came crushed. I'm pretty sure this is insured, but I'm just hoping that the stuff inside is not destroyed, because you'll see why in just a minute. My landlord handed this to me, and I picked it up from the office where the UPS delivered it, and as soon as she handed it to me, I was really worried. Yeah, they kind of packed this like garbage. So the reason I was nervous was because of this. There's 3 BB10s here. So the black one seems to be fine, besides a couple cracks here. I feel like this is from being crushed. Then we have a couple clear ones right here. Surprisingly, these seem fine, actually. Besides them being pretty cracked at the bottom, and a crack all the way up here. But otherwise, the play area for the most part seems pretty okay. Yeah, see, like it came crushed. I got this for 48 bucks plus $50 shipping, so not too terribly upset, but still, that is absolutely just devastating. The box is so crushed. Like, look at this. The box was literally like smashed in, but I'm still pretty happy, I guess. I'm gonna contact Buyee because this is unacceptable by UPS. Because yeah, this was in better shape in the picture, and now there's like this dent right here from being crushed. But yeah, it had 2 BB10s that are usable. I'm giving one of them away at a tournament. Let's see what else I have. Painted stuff. A sole that's been stripped to paint, and a marble glued to the buyee 145. Is this actually the okay. I might not be as depressed as I thought I'd be. Give me 1 second. Is there really not a tool in here? Yo! Okay, luckily I have a tool. Is this like... I don't think that this is the actual hot Hellfire Hellcurbex, but this clear wheel, I don't know. I'm gonna have to send pictures of like 40 Fury. But that's pretty sick. I can't tell if it's dyed or if this is just like what it looks like. I think it might be dyed. Then, wow, this is crazy. A faceplate with not destroyed threads. The rest of this stuff kind of looked like garbage. Not even gonna lie. Literally the reason I got this was for those BB10s. All this stuff is painted, which is easy to strip the paint off. So we have a Evil Be Full, or Killer Be Full, I guess it would be. Is the metal wheel in here? I don't believe that it is. Huh, okay. But yeah, all this stuff is just painted. I'm gonna strip the paint off of all of this. Don't worry. Yeah, I don't know why they did this. At least the face bolts look fairly good. Like, the face bolts look good. Hello, Rocky. Medio. Eldrago destroy. See if the Facebolt is destroyed. Nope, the track and Facebolt look really good. So, okay. At least the actual, like, parts aren't destroyed. We have a launcher grip. So, that is nice. Another LR. This thing. Oh, a left string launcher. I think Dan wants this. So maybe I'll get it to him. We have Aries. Yeah, this is wish they didn't paint everything, you know? Oh. Is there a Fang in here? There is, isn't there? This is like just wild. Like, why did they gotta do this? Why they gotta do my Beyblades like this, you know? But yeah, otherwise these are in good condition. So, like, I'm happy about that. I hope this R145 is in good condition, to be honest. Oh, it's in fantastic condition. This RF is completely gone. Wow. Wow, wow. But there's basically another Soul Blaze in here. Okay, the Soul Blaze has a good condition face, so I can use that for another Beyblade. But, yeah. Overall, like, honestly, the EWD is also in good condition. So, not a total bust at all. Like, it has 3 BB10s, so I can't even be that upset about it. But, yeah. That has been the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please comment, like, and subscribe. See ya.